Hello everyone, hello friends of the Litecoin. This is today's quick tip how to clean the Litecoin. So, when you have a Litecoin, you know every once in a while you have to clean and recharge the energy using the charging salt that came with your coin. So I've had a few questions, how much salt, how much water, so I'm going to show that to you quickly now. So I recommend take a full glass of water, not just a little bit, because you don't need like a salt solution that is very thick. This may also actually damage the coin if you have too much salt in the water. So take a full glass of water. And this is the really cool thing about salt healing. You need very, very little salt. So that's all that it takes. See, just a teeny tiny pinch and drop the coin inside. And for a quick cleanse, you just let it in that solution for 1 hour. For a full cleanse, you should do it overnight. I believe my pamphlet says 24 hours, but I think, between you and me, 12 hours is enough. So if you put it in at night and take it out in the morning, you should be fine. So then when the cleansing is complete, so I just have a second glass to pour out the water, you take the coin out, and then I really recommend that you take like a cleaning cloth or a clean kitchen towel and you polish your coin. Not just dry it, but give it a little rub, a little polish so that it's nice and shiny. So this is how you clean your Litecoin. Thanks for watching. See you soon.